it's Wes and welcome to DinkLife. Today we're up at Cedar Point on a Thursday night for HalloWeekends. I was here actually last week. I didn't film anything, but all the haunted houses are the same. I kind of just wanted to go through and do a nice video of just the decorations and maybe some of the special food items this year. And there is one new walkthrough area, which is really cool, a pirate themed one. But other than that, the rest of the haunted houses are the same. You can watch my video from last year. The cornstalks was probably my best one out of the houses this year. And then I do really like the Haunted Manor one too. But come along with us as we check out Cedar Point's Halloween today. A little shot of the entrance this year. Nice little photo spot right here. And they are doing the interactive lanterns this year at Cedar Point too, just like Kings Island did in my other video. I do really like the decorations up here. This little like carnival fair, I guess. Yeah, they got some nice little decorations over there too with the scarecrows. Some of the decorations by Raptor. And I do know over there on Thursday nights, none of the little kid stuff happens. I think that's only on weekends. None of those little tents will be open. I do like the little kitty kingdom with the purple pumpkins. I do think these pumpkin decorations are new this year because I do not remember them from last year. They got a big inflatable. Oh, we just missed him fart. Oh, he's asleep now. I like the Lost Rides. There's the Main Street. Oh, the front of the Manus. The Falling Sky car. It's really good. There's a bumper car. Oh no, it's not a bumper car. Like a Wild Mouse car, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it is the Wild Mouse car. Yep. Next year they can add Snake River Falls to this. Is that it? Oh, did they?
Yeah, they already read it.
Oh wow. Yeah, I didn't even notice that. There it is, Snake River Falls. And there is the stage for HalloWeekends, but no shows on Thursday night. Last week I was here and this fence wasn't up, so they're starting to build a new coaster right there. That's where the tilt coaster will be. It's a low-res picture. Yeah, there's the front of the new coaster. We're heading in for our early ride on Millennium Force. Because we do have early entry tonight. The park actually opens at 6. Right now it's 5:40. Here it comes. Nice little picture spot right there.
Oh yeah, there's no shows on Thursdays too. That sucks.
Yeah. You didn't walk through this last week. This must be a scared zone. They do have a little animatronic there. I don't think that's even a lantern spot either. There it is. Sweet Skull. There's the first lantern spot we've seen this far into the park. The graveyard. Yeah, we're in the western area right now. Ooh, that pumpkin over there, his eyes are glowing already. Here's another lantern spot. There are a ton of graves back here. One of them looks interactive. Oh, there's even more over there. Wacky, the petting zoo's open tonight. Yeah, it looks like it's somebody's birthday. There's the massive skull. Must be. Yeah, there's another one right there. You can see the interactive lantern spot. It's the Cornstalker 2.0. That's the best haunted house here. Wonder if it'll be tore down next year. Oh, and you can buy these too if you don't want to get scared. We were trying to figure out this Tombstone Terror. There's an enter on this side. I think it must just be an outdoor scare zone. We were trying to figure out actually what it was. But then on this side, there's exit. So it's a very short line. It's a very short experience. We did the whole thing. So that's the entrance to Cutthroat Cove over there in the daytime. There's that cool pirate ship right there. That looks cool at night. Here's the scary horses. Some guy vlogging back there too. Oh, he has a little beard. Oh my gosh, and we walk to the other side and there's an exit over here and an entrance. So that's what it is.
It must be because you only, if you're going from the one side.
It's just this whole area. And here's the cowboy. which I guess looks like he'd be a lantern thing, but he's not. They do have some nice little photo ops right here. And this looks like some game you can play for $10, $15, and $25. Yeah, and this Hearst is really cool too, this old one. Now we're heading over to Skyhawk. Usually never has a line. For sure don't want to wait until 6:40 to get food here. That's the line just to get inside. It plays scary music too. Flying so low and slow. And here's some of the t-shirts inside for this year. Here's some of the ones over here. And I got this one over here is pretty neat with the roller coasters in the background. And there's the lanterns for sale. And then this same t-shirt is the one I bought at Kings Island, but they got a Cedar Point version. Here's another one with zombies and roller coasters in the background. Yeah, most of these shirts are like $24 or $25. Weird seeing just a slingshot sitting there. And here are the Halloween treats at this booth over at Happy Friars. We're heading into Pipe Scream, another one that usually never has a line. Steel Vengeance looks awesome at night. Oh yeah, there is the doctor right there.
You'll make you happy, you little damn McCoffer, you know what, snake oil.
Poison it all? Got any green on you?
Oh man.
Don't drink anything.
Okay. We're heading over to Steel Vengeance. Here you can see on the boat there's an interactive lantern thing. It's pretty cool. Fires little cannons. Now we're heading in.
I guess they do have a net.
Yeah, they do.
Why are you recording me?
I do really like that guy. He's cool. Dude is really cool looking. I like the little boat there too with the skeletons. It is cool walking underneath Maverick. Like, there's the hill right there. Oh, and here comes the coaster. It is a shark, man.
Oh, they're gonna jump in.
That's crazy. That's the bottom of the hill right there.
Hey, there's more cooler things than Maverick here. Like me. I'm pretty cool.
You are cool.
Point it at me. I'm pretty cool.
You are
See,
cool.
I'm pretty cool.
Yeah.
What do you
Oh.
Ooh, look, treasure.
Oh, yeah. There's lots of treasure down in there. Pirates. Look at the bottle wall. Looks cool at night.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. cool with all.
Looks cool at night. Lots of fog. It's a giant pumpkin. It's funny how if you look at him, it looks like he's like bending backwards with his legs.
What a glorious beard he has grown. Yes,
that one,
yes,
yeah.
men supporting men, women supporting women, we're here for it! Yes, this man, oh, that is a glorious beard.
I wonder if I can tell him my presents I want for Christmas.
Santa's one of those guys that would like threaten to cut your beard off and wear it because it's so perfect.
And then the blood on the bayou. Oh, the train crosses right there too. It's crazy how big this section is back here. And they don't use this at all. It's a cool shot of Millennium right there. I wonder if there's scare actors in here normally. Oh, I guess there's one. I do like the little alligators down here. I bet you this is all left over from the loft flume.
Yeah, I can see that. This is the way.
I feel like they like to shine a light in your face and then jump scare you. Oh yeah, that is the play area. Right underneath the gravestones here. Millennium looks menacing at night. A trailer park area. So many bloody prints. Oh man. Spooky.
Yeah. Have you guys seen my brother Willie anywhere?
No. Is he lost in here?
Probably.
Oh, that might be him. Tunnel that's there. I was wondering if that was left over from a ride or something.
No, that was from the island. Because there's like a little like
Oh.
thing for kids.
Oh, interesting.
You know,
It's
like,
wild they got the steam thing back here too. They have a lot of decorations back here. It's kind of creepy. Can't see anything.
Yeah, moonshine! Watch out for that fog, piggy!
We're heading on the path back out now. They're really into the bubbles. Neat little eye in there. It's funny when you walk in to a little place over here to get drinks. How foggy it is in this inside. And then the saloon, here's where they got little bands, but there's nothing playing tonight. The backdrop's cool with the skull stuff. Got a little guy that lies here. And a crypt right here. We're just hanging out over here in the VIP section. We got a little gargoyle up there. So we did end up just getting a night ride on Maverick and Millennium, which I've never done at night, I don't think. And both super amazing. Both of them have Halloween walkthroughs at the moment underneath them, so some of the fog kind of actually kicks up under the coaster, so you kind of go through fog clouds. the lighting adds to it quite a bit too. But definitely worth doing for sure, those two coasters while Halloween's going on. Yeah, it looks like no Iron Dragon tonight. And there's Top Thrill Spike. Broken. Super awesome coaster. Only got to ride it 2 times. I feel like they should have more fog or something around the diner. A diner can be pretty spooky.
Oh yeah, that was a cool.
There was another bar. We got a couple food trucks here by Valravn. And another animated monster. Photo op. And a pizza food truck. Smells really good. There's the corkscrew in the graveyard tonight. We're heading over for a night ride on Valravn. These pumpkins pretty cool too. They got a nice little photo op next to them for Valravn. And here's another lantern thing. Some animated pumpkins. And they even have the button shop open on Halloween. Those look cool over on this side. There's the graveyard again. Somebody use some drink passes. Love how they do the Bonewalk.
Oh yeah,
And they got those decorated with some skulls. It does look real sweet though at night, all this stuff right here. Yeah, all the lighting's really cool. This little kid's fun thing, digging up bones. Guess that's in the daytime. Play instruments, yeah. The jamboree. The hear no evil, see no evil skeletons here.
Now that I live here on this haunted mountain.
Now we're waiting in line to ride some Max Air. There's some of the pumpkin decorations at night. We're heading on out. It is also kind of creepy at Halloween. Carousel for some reason is going backwards. Last week was actually playing Halloween music, which was neat too. Hey guys, so thanks for coming along with me tonight. We're just finishing up walking out. It's a little after 11 and yeah, we're just about to head home. We didn't really do any of the haunted houses. Most of them actually were pretty busy tonight. So we mostly just did night rides, and I think it was our first time on, a couple of the coasters at night. And they're amazing. And also, I do have to say, Cedar Point looks best this time of year at nighttime and decorated for Halloween. It's definitely at its best. So if you can make it out to it, it's definitely worthwhile. But thanks for watching, and as always, whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.